Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we got for sale today is a 2022 Mercury 25 horse. I do not have the hours on it yet. I got to hook it up to a computer, figure out what those are. I will have it in the listing. This is a 20-inch. It does have tilt and trim, electric start. Go ahead and fire it up here. It's got a warning light for a check engine. It will light up every time you start it. The light will go away. Sunny day here. Neutral. Neutral. Shut it off. Kind of doing this video a little bit backwards here. Did have 85 psi on all 3 cylinders. Did an impeller, spark plug, power head oil, gear lube, pressure test the lower unit, that's all good. This motor, I don't know what the hours are. As soon as I find out, I'm assuming they're pretty low. Probably bought a boat that was underpowered, wanted a little more power, and upgraded it. That's my guess. I absolutely have no confirmed answer for that one. Go ahead and fire it up again here. Interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.